Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
What are not inventions? To be an invention, the invention should manifest in a product or a process. So you can only patent an invention which manifests as a product or a process. That product or process should be new, it should involve an inventive step, and it should be capable of industrial application. Now these three steps, new, inventive step, industrial application, are referred to as the tests of patentability or the patentability criteria. For something to be patentable, it has to be new, or it has to be novel, or it's a novelty requirement. It has to involve an inventive step. In other words, it should not be obvious to a person skilled in the art. We'll come to the details. And it should have some kind of a use or utility, that it should be capable of industrial application. However, the Act in section 3 and 4 lists a host of things that are not considered as inventions. For instance, what is contrary to natural laws cannot be an invention. A perpetual motion, a machine that is capable of perpetual motion, cannot be subject matter of an invention because it is contrary to natural laws. Inventions that are contrary to public order or morality. For instance, if somebody invents a guillotine, a machine that is used for executing people, that goes against morality and public order. So the state or a country will not grant a patent over it. A scientific principle or an abstract theory like E is equal to mc square cannot be patented. New form or properties of known substances, what is called section 3D of the Patents Act, cannot be a subject matter of an invention. And section 3D covers a new form of a known substance, a new property or a new use of a known substance, and also a mere use of a known process. An admixture of a substance which just merely mixes other substances to form a resultant compound or a substance, cannot be patented. For instance, for something to be patented, it has to show synergistic effect that, for instance, 1 plus 1 should be more than 2. There should be some kind of a synergy between the substances. In such cases, it would be patentable. But mere admixtures without showing synergy will not be granted a patent. A rearrangement of known devices. Say you decide to fit in a gas lighter within a watch. Now that, if it is not inventive, it will not be granted a patent because it is a mere rearrangement of known devices. A method of agriculture cannot be patented. Method of treatment cannot be patented. A plant or animal parts cannot be patented, but microorganisms are excluded. They can be patented. A business method or a computer program per se, source code of a computer program, cannot be patented. Matters that are copyrightable in nature, for instance, literary and dramatic works, cannot be subject matter of a patent. A method of playing a game cannot be patented. Presentation of information, the way you do it, cannot be subject matter of a patent. Topography of integrated circuits, we have a different law to protect that. It will not come under patents. Traditional knowledge, again, will not be a subject matter of a patent because they are not regarded as inventions. Apart from section 3, all these are covered under section 3. Section 4 deals with atomic energy. Anything pertaining to atomic energy will not merit a patent.